Hello, my name is Eric Wilberg, and I'm the Certification Chair for the Colorado chapter of HFMA. Today, I'd like to share a few tips for you to get the most out of your HFMA membership by getting one of the many available certifications. First thing to know, once you're a member of HFMA, you can access all of the available certifications for no additional cost. And this applies if you are an individual member or a member of an organization that has an enterprise membership and you are one of the members through that. Certifications are completed online on your own time and at your own pace. So we'll show you where to find them, and just know that even to take the exam and get certified, there's no need to find a testing site. That's all done online. The exams are timed but not proctored, so you can do them right from your own computer. And of course, if you do want additional assistance, you can reach out to your chapter for additional support or career services. And I'll come back to this page as well. But right now, I want to jump right to hfma.org to show you where you can find all of the materials. So first, you're going to want to sign in. That will link things up so that you're able to get to those certifications. Once you're signed in, go to Career Development and Certifications. This takes you to the page with information and links for every certification starting from CHFP and CRCR through all 4 certified specialist programs. For CHFP, one thing to note is that there are 2 modules, and you will need to take and pass the Module 1 exam before you can get to the Module 2 exam. Let's see an example now. If I wanted to go ahead and take the Certified Specialist in Accounting and Finance, this register button will be there for you. I've actually already previously registered, so this, once it links up to my account, is just going to turn into a launch button. This is going to launch your HFMA e-learning. You can get to the same place actually once you're registered by clicking this My e-learning button. Taking a little longer than usual here. But here we're going to launch it. And now you can see that it brings me to my e-learning where all of my courses are. And if I launch this exam, you'll see that it actually will go back to where I left off. So if I can start it, and I wasn't able to finish all of these modules in one sitting. Now I can come right back and continue through the different modules. And as I mentioned, once I'm ready to take the test, the assessment, I'll have 90 minutes and I launch it right from here. But make sure you're ready before you click begin, or that's when the clock starts. So again, you can get to that same page once you are registered for the courses through the My e-learning button. So that's all I had today. And as a reminder, hfma.org has the information you need. You can reach out to myself or your local chapter contact if you need additional information. And also Career Services at HFMA is here for you as well. So have a great day and good luck with your certification.